It's Tuesday Newsday here on Mr Unbox, and if you don't know what that means, let me give you a hint.
Today we'll take a look at a remote controlled boat that can shoot 4K video underwater. A robot that folds up your clean laundry so you don't have to. And we're giving you a reason to stare into the wall.
Hey there people, I'm Mr Unbox, and every Tuesday I gather some of the most exciting and interesting news from the gadget world. Go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss out on something that may someday save your life, or at least impress some of your friends. PowerVision, the company behind PowerEgg, which is probably the most crazy looking drone out on the market today, and PowerRay, their remote controlled underwater camera equipped scuba diving swimming drone. They have just released the newest product in their lineup, the PowerDolphin. PowerDolphin rides on top of the water and has a 4K camera that can shoot both above and under the surface. It has a bait release system, so it's perfect for the lazy fisherman. And it should be able to zip across the water at 5 meters per second. I don't know many who would measure vehicle speeds in meters per second, but I guess they thought it sounded better than, let's say, 9.7 knots, 11 miles per hour, 18 kilometers per hour. Nevertheless, the PowerDolphin is one heck of a swimmer.
Dolphin is another leap forward in the world of remote-controlled marine vehicles.
I don't mind doing household chores, but sometimes it would be nice to have some kind of tool that could do all the boring stuff. My ex-wife would probably say that I was the tool in that household. And in comes the Laundroid Foldimate. It's a machine that can fold up all your freshly laundered clothes for you. You just feed it into the machine and it will come up nicely folded, just ready to be put into your closet. The only problem is that it takes 5 to 10 minutes for folding up a t-shirt, and you have to load them in manually, one by one. And with a price point of around $16,000, it might be easier and cheaper just to go out and look for the next future ex-wife. Samsung is really flexing their muscles with their newly announced MicroLED TV. Not only is the MicroLED technology a guarantee for perfectly crisp images and deep dark blacks, it is also a whopping 146 inches. Putting that into perspective, this TV is bigger than a king-size bed. You could also lay it flat and park a Mercedes B-Class on top of it and still have room to spare. This screen is absolutely huge. And it's not even the biggest TV Samsung has made. Last year they announced a 170-inch TV based on the same modular concept. I don't have enough room for a TV like this, but I'm really looking forward to seeing this micro-LED technology become more and more available and maybe someday reach down to us normal consumers. Well, that's what I had this Tuesday Newsday. But remember to subscribe for more news and exclusive unboxings. Until next time, stay frosty people and see ya!